Hello friends, today we are going to learn triangle pose or Trikona Asana. This is the continuation of the previous video about the love handle. If you haven't watched the video, the link is in the description box below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon. Now, if you are trying to lose that love handle, I recommend Trikona Asana. It improves torso, hips, thighs, and even tone your body to remove extra fat and love handle. To begin with it, step the feet nice and wide. We are also going to reach the arm in a similar fashion. I am going to use the wrist to ankle connection here. See how wide we step the feet. Obviously, everyone is different. Everybody's body proportioned differently. But in general, this is nice little check-in to just kind of bring the ankle underneath the wrist. So I am going to spread my fingertips wide. I am going to lift my heart. Tailbone is going to tuck in and lengthen down so nice and long in the spine here. I am going to draw energy up from the arch of my feet and may turn the toes in just slightly so I can feel this nice connection drawing energy up from the earth. Remember, we build our yoga poses from the ground up. So I am going to rotate my arms up, palm up towards the sky, just so that my shoulder can draw down. Here, the shoulder blade are together and down, just kind of opening up the armpit chest. Here, take a nice deep breath in and then exhale. Keep this nice and open as we turn the palm face down. And now I am going to turn the right toe all the way 90 degree. Right toe goes all the way towards the foot edge of the mat. Left toe are going to turn in about 45 degree. Left toe turn in just slightly. Now really important thing here is that I want my hip to kind of move with my foot. I don't want anything to be disconnected. It should be integration from the ground up. So I am still able to rotate the hip but draw energy up from the arch of the foot. Now head over heart, heart over pelvis. I am going to inhale in, take a deep breath in and then exhale. Let it out, moving nice and slow here. I am going to begin to send my left hip towards the back of the mat as I reach my right fingertip forward. Now I am bending here at the hip crease, sending my left hip and booty back towards the back of the mat. Keeping the heart lifted, now I am going to keep the side body nice and long here. The tendency is going to be collapsed as I now move down. But I want to keep this brightness, this beautiful foundation that I have built intact. So now I begin to slowly lean into the posture, keeping my side body nice and long, and then eventually keeping nice long line from the crown of the head to the tailbone. I will come into my posture now. Again, the tendency is to collapse. Now the right side body. So keep it nice and long here. Now I should put my fingertips gently to the top of the shin. The tendency are going to want to collapse, to go down again, send all that away to that right hand. So to avoid this, bring it in the core. So I am going to keep it nice and steady. Now this is a little bit of hard work here. But if I am just collapsing into my side body in my arms, then I will not really get the benefit of the posture. Now I am going to take my left hand and I am going to slowly guide power of touch here. Guide my rib cage open, finding an awareness in lower body, upper body. Depending on how you feel in the neck, here we can look down, we can look straight forward, or if feels comfortable, then we can slowly look up, the heart up towards the sky. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. When you are ready, press into the front ball joint of the big toe press into the back strong legs as we slowly come back up. In the way, we can take a breathe in and exhale, hands to the waist. Now do the other side. Open the feet nice and wide. Now I will go fast in this other side. Reach the arm out in the similar fashion. Rotate the arm up to align the shoulder blades. Now keeping the shoulder blades in the line, rotate the arm downward. Make your left toe 90 degree and the right about 45 degree. Keep your chest up, tailbone tuck in. Send the right hip towards the back of the mat. Otherwise, it will hurt your hip joint. Now slowly start bending towards your left and try not to collapse. Touch your shin. Hold in this position for about 3 to 6 breaths. You can either look up or straight or even down. The upward look stretches your neck muscles also. Then slowly come back to the position. Now this is the Trikona Asana. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, hit the like button and do subscribe the channel.